Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you new Android 17 style material widgets for your Android device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to Play Store and download these widgets on your Android device. These widget download link available on description. Simply download and open. After open, guys, set some permissions. After set all permissions, look at these: all categories, calendar, weather, battery, clock, all categories available on these material widgets. First, let me show you new widgets. Look at these: Google Calendar and other weather widgets are pro. Okay, first look at this clock, all type of clocks. Simply tap on add to home screen, simply tap on add, and you also customize colors. Look at these. Now simply tap on add to home screen and look at this new clock widget and calendar widget add on your home screen. Now let me show you next widget, calendar. Look at this calendar widget. Complete Android 17 style widgets. Now next widget, photos. Simply tap and add to home screen. First select photo. Now crop this image. Tap on done. Select aspect ratio and shape. Look at this, all shape available. Simply tap and add to home screen. Next, simply go back. Look at this battery widget. Beautiful battery widgets available on this app. Simply tap on add to home screen. Tap on add to home screen, and new battery widget add on your home screen. Next, weather widget, but guys, weather widgets completely pro. Now screen time widget, quartz widget, music widget, control widget. Look at this contact widget, notifications widget, and last Google widget. So guys, you also install this latest Android 17 style material widgets on your any Android device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.